So hey hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use Koo app, and I'm also going to give a small review on it. And I'm going to show you why this Koo app is suddenly trending at such a great speed. So first of all, let's go to Twitter. Okay, Twitter is the main reason why this trend started. So if you just go to Twitter and see, and if you just see type Twitter, you will be seeing that Twitter ban India and Twitter India is trending. It's like trending for past 4 days. Okay. And the main reason is because there was just rumors that the Indian government is going to ban Twitter, Facebook, and WhatsApp because there is some new rules and like that and stuff. And many people also started trending this hashtag Twitter ban in India. And if you just go to Twitter and type Koo app, okay, you will be also seeing that many people have also begun to share the link of their accounts in Twitter. Okay, as you can see here, many people have also started tweeting and they have also started creating accounts on Twitter, okay, and Koo app, and they're sharing it in Twitter itself. So like Koo app has started to gain some really great popularity. Okay, it was like really popular like before 3 months. Okay, because it's an Indian app. Okay, it's launched by completely owned by Indians, so it really got popular in the initial stage of launch. But after that, like everyone has forgot about it. But now suddenly in the past 3 to 4 days, Koo app has again been trending part. So now if you just go to the Play Store, okay, here is the Koo app. Like it has about 5 million downloads, so 50 lakhs. That's a really great number, okay, and it has 4.5 stars in review. So now let's go and see how this app works. So this is the first screen that you get when you just click install the Koo app, and just go in. Really interesting. Like you aren't even getting a login screen, logout screen. You're just getting the select languages. Okay. So it has basically like Hindi, English, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, Marathi, Bangla. So like it has like all the regional languages. That's really cool stuff over here because it's completely Indian made, and it also has many upcoming languages. So they're going to add all these languages: Malayalam, Oriya, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Urdu. So all these languages are going to be added. So really, it's a really cool thing because even a person who doesn't know English will be able to use this social media app, and that's really important. Okay, at this stage also. So let us select some. Okay, let us select English. Okay, so it will ask you to enter your phone number, and if you also have to sign in with your email, you can choose any of the above options. So once you log in with your email or your mobile phone, you'll be getting this UI. Okay, it's really cool actually. Like you can also have the search and trending, and like many celebrities have already begun to use this app. Like many politicians and many sports person and many actors have already registered and logged in here. Like you can also even invite your friends. Okay, like news channels, like, and like many people have joined. Okay, I think most of them would have joined in the last probably like 1 week. Okay, and you have your feed over here, and you're also having some trending hashtags, like same like kind of like Twitter, but it's really cool to watch in this way. So it has like banned Twitter trending here also in the first place. So like really cool. Okay, and it's also has like you can also make changes to your profile. You can just go here and edit profile, and it's like there's also list of options. Okay, you have your name, handle, profession, location, and your bio data, and you can also add your website. Just go here, you can also add your social links, qualification, work experience. So it's also like quite like LinkedIn like type, because LinkedIn basically asks your where you work, your qualifications, your work experience, like that. So it's kind of really cool. Okay, this app. And it also has this trending. So it hashtag, we can type some hashtag. Okay, hashtag and see over here, and it also has chat. Okay, I haven't now only have created account. So notifications, like it's really cool actually. This UI, it's really fast. It's actually fast. Okay, many people after using Koo app, they said in Twitter that it's slow, but it's really cool. It's really fast, I would say. So we just go into some hashtag and see. If we go to ban Twitter and see it. So here are the hashtag ban Twitters. So like it's nearly like by using same kind of feel. It gives the same kind of feel for you by using Twitter. So I think it's a really good alternative, I would say, for Twitter. Many are saying this because Koo app is like an alternative for Twitter. I would say it's totally worth it, and it's completely Indian made app. That's the thing. So you can also select search for profession. Okay, so like there are also this many professions available. So this feature isn't there in Twitter. Like if you want artist, business owner, blogger, engineer, anyone, you can just, I think you can just select it, and all the people with their same professions will be displayed. So that's a really cool thing. So if you are looking for some job also, this app will be like satisfying your LinkedIn, not at the extent of LinkedIn, but you can really satisfy your needs. It's really that nice. Okay, so that's it. It's simple and it's more effective. That's this app. Hope many people will continue to use this app, and I don't know whether they are going to ban Twitter or it's going to be a rumor, I guess. So like many times people have trended ban Twitter, ban Facebook like that, but that's never has occurred. I hope it will not also, but there are possibilities for anything. So, but let's also support our Coup app. It's our Indian made app, so let's support our app. Okay. So that's it for this video. And mine is a program channel. I run tutorials in C, C++, Python, Java, Blender, Unity. So do check other videos in my channel and subscribe and support me. And thanks for watching.